Hello everybody. This will be a live video of me planning out my trades for the day, doing live TA, and just kind of mapping out what trades to really look for based on Market Cipher B. So I upgraded my trading view and it erased all of my levels, and so I had to go into the old Discord and import my old levels. So I'm doing fresh TA for like the whole week, whatever. So first, I usually like to start off with fib pulls. Okay, I think everything's working. I hope so. I've had problems with this. So I did some fib pulls as resistance because I'm noticing we're in a local downtrend. Right now we're in a sideways market, so I'm going to do a volume area range just from this whole range here. That way I can analyze the volume and see if we're overbought or oversold. Right now we're kind of looking to be oversold since we're in the low of the valley area low. And here's the possible swing failure pattern, just a wick I'm mapping out. Okay, hopefully my audio is good because OBS has been giving me audio issues, but I think I have this all under local analysis. Look at all that. Alright, so can get rid of some of these, reduce the clutter. That we can probably get rid of. That we can get rid of. Right. So again, we have this golden pocket down here, 41,500. It's a possibility we could bounce down from there, have a lot of confluence down there. Worst case scenario, though, in my opinion, is we go this low right now. Let me do some. Alright. It's been tapped already. Here's a minor local golden pocket. I've been using the 0.5 fib a lot. Is this the software that Ray Carter made? CryptoFace made this indicator, if that answers your question. Yeah, feel free to ask me questions too. I don't mind this being a long stream. Alright. Sorry if I have to check back and forth. I wish there was like a way I could put on my screen like the live chat, or if I get another monitor, that'll be awesome too. But right now we're getting a 12-minute anchor wave on the 12-minute time frame. Those are pretty significant. So you can see right here we had one, got a local bottom kind of. So next I'll just go to exo charts, and here I'll just look for naked point of controls So inbox, I'll load this up. Next, I like to look for like if we have a 80% setup. That's what I like to use in this software. And we have a naked daily opponent control at 45,975. Sorry guys if I'm zooming in a lot. Alright, we got rid of that one. I'll double check it to see if I have that one on my chart. Yep, we do. Okay. Next, I'll look for single prints. I'll make a video on single prints, how to do that. So we got selling tail, buying tail. Yeah, it looks good for a while. Alright. I'll exit out of extra charts. Next thing I really like to do is then create alerts so I can go about my day. So I'll make a horizontal line just above a local resistance. I'll right click on it, add alert on it. Then I'll just go down here and say want to look for a short based on the 3-minute time frame. So yeah, if we come up and stay below this right here as price is pumping up, and then reject off of it, as long as the money flow stays somewhat down, this could make for a short. So this will be my trade number 1 that I'm looking at. So again, I'll go here, put in parentheses, look for short on 3-minute time frame, or 3-minute. And then with this too, I'll just put my levels into a local analysis folder. Then I'll make another folder for alerts, so I don't have as much clutter, because as you can see, my charts there's a lot of levels on my charts. But anything else here? What's up? Okay. Next big one I want to look at is right here. This is the significant daily. Let me actually delete that line for now, but I'll just analyze the time frames and see what's going on. Honestly, a 12-minute bearish divergence would be good or ideal for this. We just kind of come up, reject off of that, and come back down. The momentum wave on Market Cipher B can't get bigger than this wave right here. Along with the money flow, it can't reach this maximum either. So I'll do just that. Let me add alert on that. I like to do it, put the line just before the resistance so I have enough time to look at the chart and look for that divergence. Again, I'll drag that into my alert folder. Let's see what else here. This could be another one. Again, I'll look at Market Cipher B. And just kind of analyze it. So there could be a possibility. Let's look at 24 minute. $12-minute. Yeah, 12-minute possibility. In case we do like break above this. Money flow coming up. Yeah, my best bet would be the 24-minute, honestly. Ooh. So I'll show you what I'm kind of thinking. So I'm on the 24-minute. And I'm looking at a momentum wave that can't exceed this wave right here, as price does come up and then possibly reject off of that. What's really making me kind of iffy about this one is that you can see the money flow was barely in the negative, and right now it's barely in the negative. So really we'd have to like kind of lag as we kind of come up, as the money flow just kind of stalls, because otherwise the trade would be kind of negated, if that makes sense. But it is still a trade I'm looking for. Let me drink some coffee. And I guess looking for like swing plays mainly. This could be a major one. I'll go towards like the 1 hour time frame. We'll just kind of zoom in here. So it could be a possibility that we come down to this golden pocket right here as Market Cipher B kind of comes up and does something like that, and we'll have a divergence right here. The money flow is like coming up, as you can see on the 1 hour, and usually when the money flow just kind of comes down thick for a while, it makes a good curvature and then it kind of resets. Money flow will just make a powerful move, as you can see like in here, as we pumped up pretty strong. That's just trends that I've noticed. So yeah, I'll do just that and add an alert just below or above that golden pocket. Then I'll go to the longer time frame. Let's kind of zoom out. This actually might be a swing play that we could do. Yeah. I mean, really, we just kind of have to like chop down and then push back up. And then maybe Market Cipher would do that triple divergence. Again, possibly, or a single divergence. That would make for a very nice long. Now it does take a while to get really used to and just kind of predict or plan out or envision where the market is heading, or what you imagine what Market Cipher would look like if price did come to that level. So you just kind of have to like be creative in that sense. It does take a while to get used to and practice, but it does help in the long run because it allows you to get into the trade like right away, I guess. And it does improve your win rate a lot. That's what Jason Casper does. And then, of course, for this wick, we can look for swing failure pattern. 1 minute. Usually with wicks, I just make an alert and say look for long on 1 minute, whatever. So again, for resistance, we can go up here, make another alert. Then we can do another one up here. I think I already have an alert set on it, but then of course I've been saying this is an important resistance for quite a while, so I'm gonna look at Market Cipher, and this would probably be a 2 hour to 4 hour swing play. So you can see money flow has been coming down, it's pretty thick. Momentum waves have been coming down, RSIs have been just kind of chilling. Go to the 4 hour, same thing kind of. So this could be a 2 hour play, so a decent trade to take. So I'm just gonna put my alert again just below that level. And bam, that is pretty much all my trades planned out for the day or so. So yeah, okay. I'll move on to Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be a little bit messy. I'll drag this one over before that big drop off. Good range. Turn on my magnet tool. Again, I'm looking at Confluence. Can get rid of these single prints because they're no longer there. That has been tapped. So we got those. Next, look for support. Go down to the 12 minute. We'll pull a fib from here. Maybe not. Notice we've been in a sideways range kind of. Next, I'm noticing Confluence already, right here, as a support. I'll get rid of this golden pocket because we already crushed through it. Then I'll load up Excel charts. Naked point of control. Oh, I'm on Bitcoin. Yep. 3450. So I'm just gonna clone this guy. And it went up there. Alright. Next, I'll just look for single prints. Again, I'll make a video on this pretty soon. ExoCharts is kind of more advanced per se, but I'll do my best to explain it. But nothing there, so. Alright, time to actually plan out my trades. Yeah, okay. So, my go-to has been the 12-minute time frame. I love trading off the 12-minute time frame. It's one of my favorites. So I'm just looking for a confluence. So right here, you can see we're getting a point of control and 8.5 fib level, and just analyzing what Market Cipher is doing. If we come down on the 3-minute, that could make for a very nice long. As you can see, there's been a pretty good divergence forming on the 3-minute. I mean, even like right here, like money flows coming up, momentum waves, trigger, and price is still making lower lows, so there's momentum building up. So yeah, honestly, on the 3-minute or 6-minute, we'll just put a add alert onto that. Alright, I'm gonna put these in my local analysis. So there's a scalp number 1. Here's scalp number 2. So we're getting confluence with this Bart Simpson looking pattern and a 786 and a point of control and a naked daily point of control. So just all kind of acting as confluence. I'll put my alert so it's just below that fib level, as Ethereum tends to respect 786s a little bit more. And going off of Market Cipher, 24-minute actually would be a pretty good short ideal. Yeah, 24-minute as we come up and then reject off, and then we get a momentum wave kind of doing that. It's got to be lower than this guy right here, because you can see money flows coming down over time. Just don't mind my bad drawings. But yeah, we're gonna add alert on that. There we go. I'm gonna clean up some of this. Right here we're getting good confluence. So yeah, right here. And with this, we can assess possibly the 1 hour. 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour. So as if we dump down, kind of scoop up, this momentum we'll probably make a little trigger wave right here, as momentum is already looking to be very overbought right now based on the 1 minute time frame. So I'll add an alert for that. Also, what's very important too is if you don't see your confirmations, don't take the trade. Simple as that. 90% of the time, trading is like 90% planning and then 10% execution. It's my best advice. Next, we have another support right here. So I'm going to add in a horizontal line. Again, this could be another 1 minute or 1 hour. Based off the current conditions. And then we got one right here. This could be more of a swing based on the 2 hour, 4 hour even. I'll just do a 2 hour. I'll put it like in between that golden pocket and that 786. It's just a large range to look at. And right here could be a swing. This is like the worst case scenario. The last hope of bull territory. And that would be definitely a 4 hour swing play. So looking at it, based off of that trend line, I'll just put it right above there. So that's all my supports, really. Darn it, I keep on putting in Next we'll look for swing or kind of day trades of shorts. So I already have this one, that one. Right here, again, another wick. And then we have another one up here, confluence with that parallel channel. This could be, oh, it might take a while. Based off the 2 or 1 hour time frame. This gets kind of iffy because it really depends on whatever Bitcoin wants to do, and Ethereum will just kind of follow. And then here can be our swing play based off the 4 hour time frame. You can see money flows coming down, momentum waves are coming down. And just zooming out. Around 3,900 ETH. Yeah, 3,900. So just below this golden pocket right here. That is pretty much it. There, I'm all ready to trade for the day now. Any questions? Alright guys,